back to my channel. For today's meal, the ingredients we will be using is cheddar cheese, elbow macaroni pizza, ground beef, or you can use ground turkey, ground pork, ground chicken, whatever you like, some Ragu sauce, onion, 2 garlic cloves, and tomato sauce. So let's start prepping. So the first thing we are going to do is dice up some some onions.
I'm using red onions because I want to add some color to my food, which I enjoy doing.
So after we do that, we're gonna dice our 2 garlic cloves. So press down so the skin can come off without an issue. See, no skin on there. Do the same thing for the next one. Skin off. Just like that. So now we're just gonna do the same thing that we did to our onions. Be sure not to cut your fingers, please. And this will provide a nice fragrance in the house and some great spice for your goulash. Now goulash, it's almost like beefaroni. Well, it is beefaroni pretty much, but the difference between beefaroni and goulash is goulash you can add sour cream, which I will be doing. I didn't show it, but you can go ahead and add sour cream. Beefaroni, you just add, it's just pretty much like making pasta, well, making spaghetti, but with beefaroni you put it inside of the oven for a little amount of time. So now that we've diced these, we are going to go ahead and move these over to the pan so we can get started with cooking these, browning these, and then we'll move over to our ground beef. Okay, so before we start the beefaroni, we want to get the elbow pasta started. So go ahead and pour this right in. And then salt your water, but not too much because you don't want it to be salty. And we're going to let that cook. Now let's start with this pot here. Now, this pot you would want, with this pot you're going to put a little bit of oil, and just toss it around. This is to make sure that your oil gets all over the pan. So after your pan is hot and with a little bit of oil, we're just going to brush those right in. Okay, so now that you have browned these, turn it down to, I had it on 8, I put it at 5 now. I'm going to use my ground beef. This is 3 pounds. I'm just going to use half of this. Or maybe whole. I'm going to use more than that. And then just break it down. Season it. I'm seasoning mine with just basic salt and pepper because I already have onion and garlic. You're just going to cook this until it's brown and cook thoroughly. So I did go ahead and take the top off because the pasta kept over boiling. So we're just going to leave that top off for the remainder of the time. It'll still cook the same, so there's no harm there. So once your meat is done, as you can see, we have all this extra grease. We will go ahead and drain this out. So let's head over to the sink. So I have my strainer ready. You're gonna get your pan and just go ahead and strain it out. Give it a couple of shakes. Once that is strained out, you're gonna do the same thing with your pasta. So I'm gonna strain my pasta and come right back. So once you've mixed both the pasta and the beef, well, put them both in a pot, you are going to turn your stove on 3. Get your pasta sauce and your tomatoes and pour both of them in here. Now I know for a fact I'm going to need more than 1 pasta sauce. And start mixing it. Sprinkle a little cheese in there. I have some Parmesan cheese in my fridge, so I'm just gonna put a little bit of that in there. And then mix some more. You want to go ahead and taste it to see if you need to add any salt or pepper or anything. No salt, no pepper needed. So now what you want to do, just to add a little green because we have no green in here, add some parsley. Mix it around. Now let's go ahead and fix our plate. So this is how I like to prepare mine. I'll get me a scoop, a couple of scoops. Then I will go in with my sour cream. I'm sorry, no. Then I'll go in with more cheese, just a little bit. Some sour cream. Put it right there on the top. And then for some added color, some parsley flakes. And there you have it, guys. This is how I prepare goulash. I will leave all the ingredients down below in the description. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you so very much for tuning in and for your faithfulness. If you are new and if you want to RSVP for a spot in my room, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, like and comment, and push that notification bell so you can be notified when my videos have been uploaded. Until then, see you in my next one. Bye. Mm-hmm.